Hi, my name is Tatiana and I'm your ideal candidate for Epic Dream Job. Let me introduce myself.
First of all, mountains for me is my life. I definitely fell in love 10 years ago. I love to wake up in the mornings, breathe a fresh winter air, watch a fantastic views of the mountains, be the first on the slopes, ride the whole day and explore the ski area, then to visit the best après-ski activities and in the evening to try a local cuisine in a cozy restaurant. Second, I worked in a travel agency and my mission was to choose the best trip for my clients and make them happy. Third, I spent 4 winter seasons in French Alps as a rep, so I know everything: weather forecast, names of the slopes, where and when you can spend a nice time après-ski, best restaurants and tasty dishes, bars, prices for ski rent, souvenirs and much more. So I'm ready for a new winter destinations.